Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 73,718 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person. And don't worry about the washer fluid there. That's gonna get topped off once it goes through service and does the full inspection. Kind of grabbed it early just to get the photos done though. We're gonna do our little test drive. Shifts nice and smooth. Steering's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of wobble to it. Alignment is solid, no issues there. Really no complaints with the drivability. Steering wheel super nice. You can see how clean the top is. I don't see any wear on there. So 4-wheel drive truck, FX4. Got the nice console here. Like I said, no complaints with drivability, really nice. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, you have a little rash right there. A couple little scuffs, but overall it looks really good. Date code on the tires, 2023, Dynapro AT2s. The tread is pretty low. They still have some life left, but they are getting on that low side. I do see a little scratch in the lens, a couple little scuffs on the paint. And pretty common on these, the plastic is a little more yellow than the metal. Got the STX, got a chip here. Typical little swirls from just everyday washing and use. We have some gashes right there that went through the paint. Got your little mud flaps here on the side mirror. Overall, that's in great condition. A couple chips. You're gonna see a few little rock chips on that lower side. You can see some rash right here. It looks like something hit that and took a big chunk out of the plastic. Overall, that trim looks good. Looking at that door, overall nice and clean. A couple chips. You do have a gash right there. And then just some little chips every once in a while. That graphic is nice and clean. Looking at the tires, pretty low. They definitely are on their last leg. Little gash there. A couple little scuffs. You can see the exhaust tip is stained. Here on the bed, typical gashes and wear. Do see some kind of stains in the lens. It looks like some water stains possibly. Typical little chips across the hood. Here in that upper section, that plastic looks really good. I'm not seeing any other damage larger than just a couple rock chips. And then typical rock impacts on that front end. This guy is barely hanging on here. It looks like the clips might have broke off. Plastics look good. Of course, get up close. Typical rock chips. A couple more chips there. Got one right here. Looking at that wheel. A couple little scuffs, but overall, really nice. Side mirror looks good. You have the door keypad code here. I don't know what the code is, though. That door looks nice. Couple chips. Overall, that bed's clean. This wheel, that's in good condition. Tail light looks nice. You can see this is kind of chewed up on the edge. I do see a gash right there. Of course, you get close, you're going to see those little flaws. A few chips. Other than that, this looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at the buttons here, nice and clean. Got the one touch down on those, automatic. These backs are power, of course, but you do have to hold the button down. Lots of storage in here. Light little scuffs here and there. Got the vinyl flooring, and it looks like these are to hold a aftermarket or even maybe an OEM floor mat or like a WeatherTech. Maybe they kind of snap in. Here on that seat, I don't see any rips or tears, typical stains. You can see the dirt stains throughout. A little bit of wear there, but once again, no rips. And of course, when you look in the crevices of it, you're going to see a little bit of dirt here and there. This was a work truck. Automatic headlights. Looks like it has automatic high beams, if I'm not mistaken. Bluetooth. Got the big screen over here with the center console. Four-wheel drive. Trailer brake controller. I don't see anything about heated seats. That console looks good. That's nice and clean. Kind of scanning that upper side of the dash. That looks good. All right, here on the back left door panel, a couple little scuffs, but that's in really good condition. Little stain here, a couple light markings, but otherwise the back seat looks awesome. And then right here we do have a small rip on that cloth. Here on the front right door panel, that section's nice and clean. All of that looks good. Lots of storage in here. Overall, really nice door panel. Got the vinyl floors. Looks like it has these little inserts so you can snap in some all-weather mats possibly. That trim's clean. That looks good. Typical stains on the seat. It's pretty minimal on this one though. Little stain there, one here. I don't see any rips or tears though. The bolsters are good. Those are nice and clean. That console looks really nice. A few light scuffs here and there on the glove box. A few on the top side of the dash. Other than that, this side looks really nice. Here on the back right door panel, we do have some gashes, pretty heavy ones right there. A few more in that lower section. That looks good. Got the vinyl flooring. Here on that lower section, you're going to see little scuffs on the plastic. That seat is in great condition. Upper section looks nice. Here in the middle, I do see some little snags and wear. Some kind of rubbing up against it. A few small stains, but otherwise looks good. All right, checking out the engine bay here. We're just gonna scan through some of this. I don't see a date on that battery. Plastics here, nice and clean. They look really good. Here on the underside, overall looks good.